Hey, how's it going? I'm Felix from Cloud Integrated Technologies. So today I will be showing you how to successfully download our Nimbus app to your iOS device or Android device. From the video you can see that I'm downloading it on a Android device. So you would go to Google Play Store, you would look up Nimbus phone, and you would download it. So now that your Nimbus is successfully downloaded on your device, you're going to have to go to your email. Most likely we've sent you a email with a QR code in it. You use the Nimbus application to scan the QR code. Give it some time. And once you're logged in, just approve the VoIP over 3G. Also give access to your microphone. Nimbus will need this to function. Also, allow Nimbus to make and manage phone calls. And the contacts part, if you are installing this on a personal device, it's to your discretion to allow Nimbus to give Nimbus access to your contacts. But if it's a business phone, we recommend that you do so. And lastly, full screen incoming calls. You're just going to have to go into settings. Nimbus will direct you there so you can display over other apps. Well, display Nimbus over other apps. Once you get to Nimbus, you just toggle the function and you go back. Once you're back, Nimbus should be successfully installed onto your phone.